Hi, I'm interior designer Siew of Blue Water Studio. You are watching mini masterclass on hospitality design by Nairo Ceramic Group. Understanding the purpose and goal is crucial for the success of any project. Aligning the narrative with the client's vision ensures that the final product not only meets but exceeds their expectation. It is all about creating a cohesive story that resonates with the client's objective and communicates a message effectively through the hotel environment that we have created. The narrative for Capri by Fraser in Jalan Imbi are inspired by the nostalgic memory of Bukit Bintang. So Bukit Bintang is used to be one of an entertainment spot. We have theatre, we have the BP Park, and if you notice from the entrance point where you enter to the concierge on the ground floor, we have this beautiful wood veneer simulate the curtain as though now you're walking to a cinema. So it's based on the cinema toffee sort of idea that we have instilled, including this piece of art over here. Every art tells a story, including those in the guest room. Stay tuned to episode 2, where I'll be sharing more on design and challenges in hospitality industry.